In today's video, I will teach you how to make a photo collage in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and type in the keyword photo collage on the search bar of the home page. Now, browse through the templates that are available, but take note of the tags attached to it. This crown tag means that the template is not free and you would have to upgrade for you to be able to use this template. If there are no tags on it, it is just a plain template that you can customize. Once you've chosen the template, you can now go ahead and open it. You can now add photos, images, icons, stickers, illustrations, and other graphics from Canva's extensive media library to customize your own photo collage. You can also add filters or use the animate button to add some spice to your photo collage. You can also upload your own images to make the design more personal. If you are in Canva Pro, you can also use Canva's background eraser tool. And once you're satisfied, you can now save it to your computer by clicking on the share icon at the upper right corner of the top panel. Then select download and choose the file format of your choice. I highly suggest setting the file format to MP4 if the photo collage is animated. But if the photo collage is stationary, you can simply save it as a PNG or a JPG. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.